Well, hi. I have a vine update. I realize it's been a while since I walked through and gave you a tour of how my sweet potato vine is growing. It's actually growing, and it's growing back from being attacked from some aphids. So, despite there being record heats and a lot of its leaves being a bug's dinner, it's still growing back really quickly and looking very nice. I'll post some pictures also so you can see kind of how it's starting to spread out. But it's this trellis. I'm using my old pool fans here. The trellis is expanding. I mean, I have to measure it. I really don't know, guys, but this is really big. Here it is from the other side, and the leaves are slowly kind of starting to blossom out. If I zoom in a little closer here, there you go. You see a lot of teeny tiny little buds. It's on its way back. Welcome back.